Have you ever heard of man who made millions and then lost it all more than once? Today we are talking about Remnants of Stock Operator by Edwin Liffer. It's the story of Jesse Livermore, a legendary trader whose wins and losses still teach us powerful lessons. If you are interested in the stock market or just love real stories of success and failure, this one's for you. This book was first published in 1923. It tells the story of Jesse Livermore, a real trader who became famous for his bold moves on Wall Street. But it's not just about money or strategies, it's about the mental battles traders go through fear, hope, greed, and how they deal with risk. Who was Jesse Livermore? Jesse started young, really young. He worked at bucket shops where people placed bets on stock prices. He watched the numbers, learned fast, and made big bets. He made millions, but also lost them. His life was roller coaster, full of lessons we can all learn from. Jesse didn't go to school for trading. He learned by watching, practicing, and failing. He studied patterns, noticed how prices moved, and improved with every trade. The key: start small and learn fast. One of Jesse's most famous quote is the big money is made in the waiting. He didn't always jump in. He waited for the right moment. And that's when he made his biggest profits. Lesson: patience pays. Don't trade on tips. Jesse made a big mistake. He listened to tips, but most tips are wrong. He learned the hard way. Don't follow the crowd. Do your own research, trust your plan, and think for yourself. Ride the trend. Jesse believed in going with the flow. Ride the trend. If the market is going up, go with it. Don't try to guess the top or bottom. Stay with the trend until it ends. Cut losses quickly. Here is a golden rule: cut your losses fast. Jesse said if a trade is going bad, get out. Don't wait. Don't hope. A small loss today can save you from a big loss tomorrow. Emotions hurt trader. Fear, greed, hope. These emotions destroy traders. Jesse made mistakes when he let emotions take over. The best traders stay calm, focused, and in control, even when the market is wild. Lessons for today. Even though this book is nearly 100 years old, its lessons are still true. Markets may change, but people don't. The same emotions, the same mistakes, the same traps. Discipline, patience, and self control. These never go out of style. Final thoughts. Remnants of Stock Operator is more than a book about stocks. It's a guide to how traders think, win, and lose. Jesse Livermore's story is full of hard lessons, but also great wisdom. As he once said, there is nothing new in Wall Street. There can't be, because speculation is as old as the hills. Whatever happens in the stock market today has happened before and will happen again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.